about to make some sorrel drink. Some people call it hibiscus flower, but in Jamaica we call it sorrel. So this probably can make you about 10 gallons. Yeah. Then we're gonna add some allspice. That's the whole one, the berries. And then we're gonna add some cloves. Yeah, that's gonna give it a nice flavor. Then we're gonna come in with the ginger and all that. So check it, you know. 1 cup of allspice berry. Then we're gonna go in with some blend ginger. Blended ginger. The more you have, the better it tastes. Allspice and cloves. Going in with half the ginger right now. Now that the water is about to start boiling, go and draw the sorrel. Just like you would do coffee or a tea bag or something like that. Add it to the hot water and let it simmer, you know? Just let that simmer. Rich.